Hello everyone, I am Advait Joshi, and in this video I am going to explain about Gauss elimination method. Gauss elimination method is used to find out the solutions for system of linear equations. As we can see, we have three equations here. They form a linear system of equations, and we will use Gauss elimination method to find out the values of x, y and z. The first step of Gauss elimination method is converting these equations into a matrix form. Ax is equal to b, where A is the matrix of coefficients, X is the matrix of unknowns, and B is the matrix of constants. So matrix form of these equations will be 1, 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. This will be our A. X will be X, Y and Z, the matrix of unknowns, and B will be 3, minus 2 and 5. So the next step of Gauss elimination method is converting these matrices into augmented matrix form, which is C is equal to A augmented with B. So it will look like 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 5. So this is our augmented matrix, and we are going to convert this augmented matrix into a triangular matrix. For these equations, I will convert this matrix into upper triangular matrix, that is the elements below diagonal will be 0. So 1, 1, 2 will get converted to 0, 0, 0. So by using row transformations, R2 minus R1 and R3 minus R1. So C will get converted to 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 5, 0, 1, 1, 2. So now we need to convert this 1 to 0. For that we will multiply this entire row by 2 and we will add that row to R. So R3 changes to 2R3 plus R2. So C is equal to 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 2, minus 1, minus 5, 0, 0, 1, minus 1. Now we can see these elements are 0, that is the matrix is converted into upper triangular matrix. Now what we do is we change this augmented matrix again into format Ax is equal to b. So our matrix will get converted into 1, 1, 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 0, 1. This is our A. X is same, X, Y, Z. Now B is 3, minus 5 and minus 1. So by multiplying these, we will get three simultaneous equations, and we will solve those equations to get the values of x, y and z. Now those equations will be x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3, minus 2y minus z is equal to minus 5, and z is equal to minus 1. Here we are getting the direct value of z as minus 1. We will use this value of z into this equation to find out what is the value of y. So value of y will be 3. Now using the values of y and z, we will find out what is the value of x. So the values of our unknowns are 2, 3 and minus 1. This is how we deal with Gauss elimination method and solve our system of linear equations. Cheers.